Hello, my name is Daksh. Today I'm going to teach you how to play this train chess game. There can only be 2 through 4 players in this game. And whenever you roll the dice, you have to get 6 to come out. And then you have to roll the dice and whichever you land on, so it says 4. So you have to come to 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. If the player comes here, then they have to say miss 1 turn. 3. Like if the player got 3, then to move 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have to keep rolling until we get here. So we got 2. So now we'll come to 2 here. Whenever you come here, you have to take 1 more turn. And now we got 1, so we come to 14 here. And then again we got 1, so we come to 15 here. Next, you keep going all the way here until it says miss 1 turn, and then you have to go here, all the way here, all the way here, and then here, if you land here, it says take 1 turn, and then you have to keep going until you stop at 57 and 58. It says that you have next going F, E, F, G, H way. So you have to go again this way. Like after you go again this way, and if you don't land on 57 or 8, then you go down. Again, if you land on 63, you have to go all the way back and then do all over things again, like this, to win the game.